So the next task is squares of a sorted array 977. That's an interesting task. So I should somehow figure out how I can, because like it's reverse order when it's minuses, but when I actually make it square, so my first idea is to find the first positive and then put the one pointer on a, on the left from positive, and on the next left index to the positive, the first positive, and current index on and put the pointer on another pointer on the current first positive, and then whatever absolute value is bigger, just put it into the output and then move it further. So I basically have like two indices, and they're gonna move from each other depending on which one gonna be smaller first. So I'm gonna go for, yeah, so as I said, I can just do the return for num in nums. I can do just num squared, and then I can do sorted, or I can just return. I can just do this sorted. Or just sort. No? If I just do sorted, call the function sorted. Yeah. Memory is not that good, but the runtime is pretty fast. So another idea is, like, as I said, like have two pointers, and then let's say gonna be right is equal to 0, and then while nums while nums right is less than 0, I'm gonna do nums r plus equal 1. And let's say n is equal to n nums, and let's say r is less than n. And then now I'm gonna go left is gonna be equal right -1, and then I'm gonna have this result equals say 0, but then so it's like first initial is gonna be gonna have size n, and it's gonna be filled up with zeros, and then I'm gonna go while L is greater or equal 0 and or right is less than n, I go if L is less than 0, I'm gonna go ptr equals 0. So res ptr is equal to, and then is equal to nums right to the power of 2, and then ptr plus equal 1, and then r plus equal 1. If L, if right is greater or equal n, I'm gonna go res ptr equal nums left to the power of 2, ptr plus equal 1, right left minus equal 1. And then else I need to compare if ups nums are left is less than nums ups. It's not required now, just nums right. Then I'm gonna go res ptr so here or like this, or like this. And then it's, let's say, yeah, return res. Okay, let's print right for the right. Right is equal to in this case. So 0, 1, 2. That's correct. And then if left is or ups if this one, then I need to do this, and this is reversed. Why it doesn't work? List index out of the page. Oh, it should be like this. R less than N, and yeah, quite a few checks here and there. Not very efficient, maybe. Or there, yeah, there's another idea. Instead of like doing this while initially, I can have like 2 pointers on left and right, and I can start filling up the array from the end. So let's do that. Right should be equal n minus 1, and left should be equal 0, and then while say we have res equals 0 multiplied by n, and then here so while left less than right, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go have a pointer equals n minus 1. I need to figure out which one is a bigger one. If nums nums left is less than nums right, I'm gonna go and put res ptr equals nums right to the power of 2, and then I'm gonna go right minus equal 1, and then ptr minus equal 1 and then else I'm gonna go res ptr equals nums left to the power of 2, left plus equal 1, and then ptr minus equal 1. And then just return res. No? Not really. So, okay, 0 by 0. So 11, that's okay. The next -7, okay. Yeah, so the last one. Yeah, that's gonna be it. That's